Pokémon Winds and Waves might be a year away, but that doesn't mean you can't choose your favourite starter already. I used bambu.lab's image to 3D model for these, which can be found in the MakerLab tab of Bambu Studio. You can then add the image you want to be converted to a 3D model. There are a few different generation methods you can use here, so let's compare them all. This one generated the model the fastest, but as you can see the body has come out a bit weird. You can toggle the colours on and off to see what the actual raw STL will look like, because the colour choice can be a bit off sometimes. The second method takes a bit longer, but the result is much better in my opinion. As you can see, the body looks a lot more normal at least. Ironically, this looks a lot better than the model I actually printed, which used the best model generator apparently. But as you can see, it did some weird things with the hair on the back of the head of Pombon, which kind of makes it look like a lion. And this is why these AI models can't compare to hand modeling. Anyway, once you're happy with a model, you can click export here, and you'll need to use MakerLab credits for this. I'm not really sure what these are, but I've never ran out of them. You can then choose your printer and nozzle size, and then you can choose the file type you want to export. I prefer STL over 3MF, because I'll paint it manually in the slicer anyway. You can then download and open it in your slicer, and check that it looks okay, and then you can change your filaments and paint it, or print it monocolor if you just want to paint it by hand. I actually printed it in 4 colors and then painted the eyes and the nose manually. I think the result isn't too bad, besides the weird lion's mane at the back, but that's why these generation techniques are a complementary tool and not a replacement tool. I also did the same for the other two starters, Brout and Gekwa, which I think worked a bit better. These models are available on my MakerWorld profile for anyone that's interested, but thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like and follow for more 3D printing tips and tutorials.